Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Vipul. In today's videos, we will solve the third problem of SQL 50 of 50 questions. You can see in my previously two videos that was uploaded on this SQL queries. In this video, we will solve the third queries of the top SQL 50 questions. So I think here you can see that what is the questions. Name and what is the uh, description of this question. So let's read about this question, what is, and then we will try to solve and write the SQL query about this. So first we will understand about these queries. So here, this is the column name and type. So basically, these are all types of this. You can understand everything about this column. That is given in this image. Like you, there is the like three, four, or five table column, and their types are mentioned here. So first column name is name, and second is continent, area, population, and GDP. Okay, so let's remove this and we will try to solve by itself. We will not take any help and I will write a queries from very scratch. So there is the name is the primary key, column is the unique value for this table. Each row of these tables gives information about the name of the country, the continent to which it belongs, its area, the population and GDP value. So there is the schema of this table, and here is the totally description of this table, and there all column name are mentioned. You can see here is name, continent, area, population, and GDP. So there are five columns in this table. So first one is for Afghanistan, second is Asia, and then many more. There's the data that I mentioned. So we need to write a query which is belongs to two statement that it has an area of at least 3 million. It has population of at least 25 million. So write a solution to find the name, population, and area of big country, return the result in any order. So we don't need it to sort these tables. We don't need to we just write a query to that fulfill this requirement of this table in this query. So first query, this is the we and second is this. Now you can see. So first, here is the complete description of this question. This is that we have to write. So write the solution to find the name. So that is saying that find the name. So the name and their population of you can see the population column is here. So copy this and paste. As you know, as of you know that SQL is uh, not case sensitive, so we don't have to take tension about that odd lower and upper cases, but we have to take care about that. Not spelling should not be mismatched, and this will if you do that, it will get raise that in error. So we have to write two things and area of the big country. So area is here. It's totally basic question and is area and from then we will write the from and from this table that we want to this data. So table name is world. Up now we will filter this data because in this column if you don't filter any data, see we just it will return every data that are coming and it will give wrong. Look, what is the answer is coming? Uh, I think it's raising error about their. I don't know why it is happening because we have to reach right. But let's remove this, whatever. So run this and see. what is the see, like this is the data that are coming. Here is the my output that are coming, but we in expected output we have to return only those population and area which satisfy this filter condition. So we did not mention any filter condition, so that's why these data are coming. So we will mention filter condition where area should be greater than 3 million. So 3 million, 3 million, and simultaneously their population should be greater than 250 million, 25 million, sorry. 20. So this is the total query that have to write. Not see at this output. Oh, it's coming wrong again. No data are coming. I think we have meant. Oh, just here is one mistake that we write and uh instead of or, because we if we write and then it will if not don't satisfy both condition, then it will not return. So just we have to write or was in this query have mentioned or. So you can see there is the my query has successfully run and output is coming as expected. So you can see about hint in discussion section that if you want to learn more about this question and everything. So I just recommend you go on discussion section. There are many people that are giving their own ideas. So this is the best way to quickly learn, and that one thing that we not mention in those questions as well. You need to think and learn. So I just asked all this query and nothing is more in this video. So let's end up and thank you so much. Please subscribe my this channel for getting more update.